Welcome to Marlin Steel. Our stainless steel carts are engineered for strength, mobility, and hygiene, perfect for medical, pharmaceutical, and industrial environments. These carts are built from high-quality stainless steel, offering superior corrosion resistance and durability compared to plastic or coated alternatives. Designed for easy cleaning and sterilization, our carts help maintain strict sanitary standards in critical operations. Features include heavy-duty caster wheels for smooth transport, reinforced frames for stability, and customizable shelving or basket configurations. We offer electropolished finishes for a microscopically smooth surface, reducing bacterial buildup and making sanitation effortless. Marlin steel carts are ideal for handling surgical instruments, pharmaceutical components, and precision parts in cleanroom environments. We are medical device ISO 13485-2016. We only make in the USA and only use USA steel. Need a custom solution? We design carts to your exact specifications. Whether you require special dimensions, weight capacity, or integrated baskets, contact Marlin Steel today for a quote and discover why our stainless steel carts deliver unmatched performance and reliability.